Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video we are going to be making cheesecake. So over here are all my ingredients. I have my Philadelphia here. So this is 200 grams, so we are going to be using all the Philadelphia. So I have some melted butter over here. This is how it looks in here. So I will open it later for you guys to see. So I have my melted butter here. I have sugar here. I have my cinnamon powder here. I have lemon. I have my salted caramel here. I have my vanilla sugar and my digestive biscuit. So guys, this recipe is very easy to put together and it's so yummy and delicious. So we are just going to dive into the video. Till then guys, remain blessed and bye bye.